everyone, I'm Robert L. Martinez. Mag-vlog po natin ang first aid kapag nag-hiking po tayo, kapag na-dislocate po yung paa natin ng injury at kailangan po natin gawin ang first aid. Supportan niyo po ako guys, and first time ko itong gagawa, kabado. Susunod dito yung dapat gawin ng isang hiking kapag na-injury.
Ever wondered how to handle medical emergencies in the wilderness? In wilderness first aid, safety is paramount. Assess the situation, stabilize injuries, and establish communication with emergency services if possible. Learn wilderness-specific skills for environmental emergencies like hypothermia. Always carry a comprehensive first aid kit and be ready to make a difference when help is limited or delayed.
Hello guys, magbibigay pa tayo ng another sample para kapag na-injury, ito yung na-injury yung paa kapag naputol yung buto, mas maiging ganito yung gawin natin, or kumontak ng number na 911 para makahingi agad ng tulong. Example lang tong video na to guys.
If you break your leg while hiking, most people would try to hobble back to find help. This can cause more damage to your leg. The best thing to do would be to find something in nature that you could use as a splint. This will stabilize your leg. If alone, crawl for help to not create increased pathology. Try your best to keep as clean as possible and don't go in water.